Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see how to rename the HANA database system. For example, if you want to rename the HANA database system, your database system name is ABC, and if you want to make it to XYZ, then how to do it? So now this can be done with the help of HDBLCM. So you can see I am on putty session with root user, and I am at the HDBLCM directory. So HDBSM is a tool, so that is inbuilt tool in your HANA. So you can find it in your slash HANA shared SID, and within SID you can find HDBLCM directory. So once you are here, so get the root access, and you can just click dot slash HDBLCM. So once we'll enter this, so you will have the numerous uh, options. So in this you can find the rename system. Now you can see number 4. So the index is number 4. So the index number can vary depending upon your HANA version, but I'm using HANA 2 and SPS 5. So you can see rename system is number 4. So this is the index, so, and you need to enter the index. Now I am putting number 4, like, because I want to rename my system. So say number 4 and enter. So here now it is asking me the enter the host name of the source and target. So my host name is instance 2 only. So source host is instance 2. So just enter. Now here it is asking us whether whatever now you are renaming the system, whether it is production, test, development, or custom. So for example, my system is production. So you can just say number 2. And this is the listener interface. Like if you want to make the global, internal, or local. So based upon your setting, you can make it. Now suppose if I want to go with the global, so I will select 1 and enter. Now here it is asking the network address. So take as a default, you can see it is number 1, which is none is default. So just say enter. Then enter the certificate host name. So if you can see, these questions are similar, which we saw during the installation. So certificate host name is same. So just enter. Then enter the source system administration password. Means whatever system we have. Like my current system name is H4C ADM. Sorry, system name is H4C and admin is H4C ADM. So just put the password and enter the target system ID. Now this is very important. Now your system is H4C. Now if I want to rename it, so just give the new name. Like I want to give now H4B. So from H4C, now I want to rename my HANA-DB to H4B. So just give target system ID as H4B and enter. Now instance number, if you want to change, you can change, but I don't want to change, so I will just give 96 and enter. So here it is asking the data volume, like volume names, so where you want to put the volumes. So by default it took the location slash HANA shared data and H4B. So just enter. This is for low volumes. Again, by default it took, just enter. Now this is the location of data backups. So where the data backups will stay. So again, default location, I'm fine, enter. This is for log backups, just enter. Now catalog backups, so where the catalog backups will stay. So again, you can see this is default it took, just enter. And now enter the system administration password. Now this is the new user which will be going to create it, because this is the new SID, you can see H4B. So set the password here. Confirm. Now home directory, again default it took, just enter. Then this is your basically login shell, so default, I'm fine with this. So system user ID, so 1002 it took. So this is the my system user ID. Then the access advanced app working path, so where the basically app working or new access engine path will be. So you can see all this is taken default, so I'm just put enter. So domain name again same. Then keep source system administrator user. So whether if you want to keep it or if you don't want it. So I don't want it because I will have new user which is h4badm. So by default it is to no. You can see bracket it is n. So just enter. Then home directory if you want to keep. So I don't want to keep. So no. Change the database password of the system user. So whether I want to change the password or not. So I don't want to change any password of database user which is system. So just enter. Then restart system after machine reboot means whether if you want to configure the system for auto restart, then you can say yes or no as per your convenience. So I will say yes. And once it is done, so you can see all the summary came. So whatever we have information provided to this HDB LCM tool. So just review this, and once you will find everything is fine, say yes and enter. So now you can see the renaming system is started. Now it is renaming our system. So we need to wait here because renaming will going to take time, and once it will rename system, so it will basically start your HANA database. So it will maximum it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So this is how you can basically rename the system. So I covered all those things. So once it is get renamed, so it will get automatically started. So this is how you can rename the systems within your landscape. So many time requirement comes where by mistake of some name you have provided, but you want to change the SID now from ABC to XYZ, just for example. So this is very useful tool, I would say, and it is very quick tool which will be used for the renaming the system. So that's it for today's session. So if you like this video, so you can subscribe to this channel so that you will have such kind of more videos. Thank you.